Hi, I'm George. Today I'm gonna show you that something germinate. Kaki, I planted it 2 months ago and I did a video and just germinated. I planted 2 seeds and one of them germinated, and look at there, I written that and name of plant, looking good, was grow some leaves already, as you can see, doing very well. In 2 months was grow these leaves so beautiful. And this is a short video. If you do not seen that video when I planted seeds, just link in the corner. And doing very well this Kaki tree. Actually it's a tree, and I put this support. I can remove it easily to show you how it looks beautiful now, and I hope it will grow nicely. So we'll see how it will grow. When I replanted, I put it like so, and will grow nice. So we need to wait a little bit to grow. And I grow it inside. I do not know. Grow it outside. I'm afraid not to lose it. I have only one. And that's it. And thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Have an amazing day. Greetings from Moldova. I'm George, and subscribe to my channel, like, share. Bye.